off and offset the IRS deductions.
Yeah, YouTube channel tax deductions. That's right.
Yeah, still working.
Hey guys.
24/7. Work.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my.
You can work as much as you want.
Welcome back to my life. This is nonstop work.
It is.
Anyhow, 390 Adventure Build Series
God, I hope
thingamajig.
KTM sends you a check for
Listen to
for
this.
all the shit that you talk to the
Hey,
YouTubers
this is
about.
a family channel. We don't talk like that. You can't use swear words on the videos.
Well, you'll just have to
Because
figure it out.
YouTube will
Recorder and do it.
YouTube will demonetize channels when you start running your swamp cooler mouth.
I thought it was a soup cooler. A soup cooler.
Hey, if you guys, you 390 Adventure guys, haven't checked out the Adventures with Abel series that we've created, there's quite a bit of riding footage in the last, 7-day or, I don't know, 10-day or 12-day or whatever it ends up being. Adventure series that we have on there. There's a lot of riding footage on the 390 that I've created, first person point of view. I don't know if that interests you or whatever. Anyhow, today you guys are getting so excited about these stupid windshields and stuff. I can't even deal with it. This is a Puig, which is an upgrade, right? I have a Puig, which is an upgrade. Oh, the camera's facing the wrong way. Hold on. This is a Puig windshield. It is an upgrade, and you guys are so excited about all this stuff. However, I went on the lovely Aliexpress and found something. I'm going to open this thing up, show it to you. You'll know what it's the replica of right away. I'm just going to swap it out and see if there's a difference. I don't think there is, but you guys are so excited. You get so excited about all this stuff on these bikes. I don't understand. I don't understand it, really. I'm playing along here with you. I went with the pizza box delivery and the side case upgrades and all that. I'm playing along with you, but, the pockets are getting a little deep here for all this stuff you guys keep bringing up. Anyhow, you might notice that there's still quite a bit of plyo mud all over the bike here. I can't get it off. Anybody know any tricks how to get plyo mud from the Black Rock Desert of Nevada off the bikes? It just doesn't come off. I probably have to buy a 100-gallon drum of vinegar and just dump it on the bike to get rid of all this crap. Pressure wash it 10 times and it's still got stuff on it. It looks kind of neat that way. Anyhow, let me open up this stupid box and pull this stupid windshield out so we can put it on the awesome bike and figure out what the excitement is about. You guys get so excited about this bike stuff. I don't get it. Here we go. Well, I got it open, and I'm sure you can figure out the name brand of this. I found their manufacturer. It doesn't cost $300 and some though. You just buy direct from the people that make it over in China. And it's like 90 bucks shipped. It doesn't come with any instructions, but you can go on the said website of the, I want to say the name of it, but you guys can figure it out. Raid Garage, right? That's who makes this thing, right? Why is it all wavy right there? I guess I had to heat it up to make it. Yeah, the quality is not so good, and I don't understand why you guys get so excited about this. I guess I'll go on the Raid Garage website and look at their instructions so I can figure out how to mount all this crap on here. Stand by. I'm gonna swap this thing out. Why do I do this? Anyhow, here we go. Yeah, I will leave a link in the video description of how this is going to be installed, because there's two different options here. You've got one that's got some sort of a GPS mount thingamadoodle. I don't need that, so I basically have to take the windshield off and then pull these two little bolts out, put the mount on, and it's done. It's very basic. I think that this shield here is something. It's something screwy. This shield has to come off or something. I don't know. I can't tell without taking all this stuff apart. You guys get so excited about all these different parts and stuff like that. I don't get it. But whatever, I'm playing along with you. Let's try it. I just wanted to make you guys aware that this replica version, when you go to put it on the bike, you gotta take these winglets off first. However, just going from a size perspective here, you see the little gap that there is on each side? I'm gonna have to figure out a way to make up for that. Also, it's missing the hardware that goes on the ends. So you get all this stuff, but there's only enough of these little rubber bolt inserts for the two pieces that replace the winglets. I thought for sure I threw them in the trash can or something. That's not the case. Yeah, and I won't be using these because I have a GPS mount on there already. And I think I'm going to paint the lower half of this thing. I think I'm gonna paint the inside of the lower half of this thing, so just the top portion is clear. Because to me it doesn't make sense to have this giant clear. I mean, if you look at it, you've got these original black winglets on here, and you're gonna put this giant clear thing on here. It doesn't look right. So I think I'm gonna mask it off pretty high and paint the inside of it black. But yeah, I got to make all these little modifications. I think I've got enough hardware and stuff laying around where I can modify and create some mounts for this. But just something to be aware of if you buy the replica version and not the real deal. You're going to run into a couple issues like I have right now. So I put 3 coats of paint on this and it's drying right now, obviously. I was able to get this bracket on here. I used a couple of the rubber washers and the longer bolts, and it seems to bolt up just fine. As far as these little rubber inserts with threads go, I don't really have a solution for that, but I did find in my hardware a couple of little nylon nuts and these plastic washers. I think I'm gonna sandwich using these bolts and these plastic washers on each side of the windscreen. What else can I tell you? That's about as far as I'm at right now. These drop right in, no problem once you get the winglets off, so those are just kind of sitting there. It's ready to be installed. I'm just waiting for the paint to dry. I'm gonna try and see if I have any edge guard that I can go around the outside of this with. I don't know if I do or not, but I'm gonna try. It didn't turn out too bad. There's one small blemish here on this edge right here that got through the masking tape. Not a big deal. I don't have any transparent edge guard to go around the edge here, but I did order some, so I'll be waiting on that to show up, but now it's just a matter of bolting the thing on. Well, there you go, guys. The Aliexpress Rally windshield installed. It actually fit on there better than I expected. The only thing I don't like is now the CNC mount has a little bit of play on it. I'm sure there's a way to fix that with some different hardware or whatever, or maybe tightening it up even more than I already did. But yeah, highly recommend doing the paint that I did. It cleans up the sides and the edges and hides all the factory stuff on there. But yeah, I don't think it's going to make much of a difference as far as the wind goes. I know everybody gets excited about that stuff, but there you go. I will leave a link in the description if you guys want to buy one of these. It took about 13 days to get it from China, Aliexpress China. But other than that, I think that's probably going to be it. If you guys like this episode, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. You're going to want to stay tuned. There's plenty more to come. But as always, hope you guys are staying safe, taking care of each other, and I will catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.